We all know how frustrating it can be to lie awake at night staring at the ceiling, unable to fall asleep despite feeling exhausted. For many, sleeplessness has become an all-too-common problem. But what if you could improve your sleep naturally? The foods you consume can play a significant role in promoting restful sleep. Let's dive into 18 foods that can help you sleep better without the need for pills. Number 1. Tart Cherries. Tart cherries are one of the few natural sources of melatonin, the hormone that controls your sleep-wake cycle. Unlike other fruits, tart cherries specifically contain the right type of melatonin that can help you fall asleep faster and sleep more soundly. Studies have shown that consuming tart cherry juice can significantly increase sleep duration and efficiency, making it particularly effective for those with insomnia. The anthocyanins and tryptophan in tart cherries also contribute to improved sleep by reducing inflammation and promoting relaxation. By naturally boosting melatonin levels, tart cherries help regulate your circadian rhythm, leading to better quality sleep without the grogginess associated with sleeping pills. The antioxidants in tart cherries further aid in combating oxidative stress, which can disrupt sleep patterns. If you're struggling with restless nights, tart cherries could be the key to enjoying deep, restorative sleep. Number 2. Walnuts. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, melatonin, and serotonin precursors, all of which work in harmony to support better sleep. Tryptophan, an essential amino acid found in walnuts, plays a pivotal role in producing serotonin, which is then converted into melatonin to regulate sleep cycles. Studies have shown that people who regularly consume walnuts experience improved sleep efficiency, falling asleep faster and staying asleep longer. Walnuts also provide a steady release of serotonin, helping to ease stress and anxiety, common culprits behind sleepless nights. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties in walnuts can help reduce the physical discomforts that often keep you awake. Incorporating walnuts into your diet provides both immediate and long-term sleep benefits, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed. Number 3. Green tea. Green tea is rich in L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation and reduces stress without causing drowsiness. The unique combination of L-theanine and antioxidants in green tea can help prepare your body and mind for restful sleep. While traditional green tea contains caffeine, opting for decaffeinated versions ensures you get the calming benefits without the stimulating effects that can keep you awake. Research shows that L-theanine increases the production of alpha waves in the brain, which are associated with relaxation and a calm, focused mind. This makes green tea a perfect drink to wind down after a long day, helping to reduce anxiety and promoting a smoother transition into sleep. The antioxidant properties of green tea also help repair cellular damage that can disrupt your sleep cycle. Number 4. Almonds. Almonds are one of the best natural sources of magnesium, a mineral known for its ability to improve sleep quality by reducing inflammation and lowering cortisol levels. Magnesium is crucial for sleep regulation as it relaxes muscles and calms the nervous system, making it easier for you to drift off to sleep. In addition to magnesium, almonds are packed with riboflavin, phosphorus, and manganese, which support overall health and promote consistent, uninterrupted sleep. The healthy fats and protein in almonds also help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing nighttime hunger pangs that might wake you up. Incorporating almonds into your routine can lead to a noticeable improvement in your sleep quality, especially for those dealing with chronic insomnia. Before we proceed to the next surprising food, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 5. Oatmeal. Oatmeal isn't just a breakfast food, it's also a fantastic bedtime option. Rich in complex carbohydrates, oatmeal increases the availability of tryptophan in the brain, leading to higher serotonin levels that help you feel calm and ready for sleep. Oats are also naturally high in melatonin, which directly aids in regulating your sleep-wake cycle and ensuring a deep restorative slumber. The slow-digesting fiber in oatmeal keeps you feeling full throughout the night, preventing hunger from waking you up. The B vitamins found in oats also play a role in the production of serotonin, contributing to improved sleep quality and mood. With its soothing warmth and natural sleep-promoting properties, oatmeal is an excellent way to prepare your body for a good night's rest. Number 6. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are not only beneficial for heart health, but are also exceptional for promoting better sleep. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, both of which are critical in regulating serotonin levels, a key neurotransmitter involved in sleep. Multiple studies have linked the consumption of fatty fish to improved sleep quality, especially in individuals with sleep disorders. The combination of omega-3s and vitamin D not only enhances serotonin production, but also reduces inflammation, which can contribute to sleep disruptions. Fatty fish are also high in other sleep-promoting nutrients, like magnesium and potassium, making them a powerful option for anyone looking to achieve deeper and longer-lasting sleep. Number 7. Turkey. Turkey is renowned for its high tryptophan content, an amino acid that is crucial in the production of serotonin and melatonin. This is why many people feel drowsy after a big Thanksgiving meal. But beyond tryptophan, turkey also contains B vitamins that play a role in stress reduction and energy metabolism, both of which are important for unwinding at the end of the day and achieving high-quality sleep. The protein in turkey also contributes to stabilizing blood sugar levels, which can help prevent late-night cravings that disturb your sleep. With its sleep-inducing properties and nutrient profile, turkey serves as an ideal food choice for those who need a little extra help falling asleep and staying asleep. Number 8. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are loaded with complex carbohydrates that increase serotonin levels, promoting relaxation and better sleep. They also contain potassium and magnesium, which help relax your muscles and nerves, making it easier to drift off to sleep. Additionally, sweet potatoes are high in fiber, which keeps you feeling full longer, preventing hunger from waking you up during the night. Rich in antioxidants and vitamins, sweet potatoes also contribute to overall well-being, reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm that's essential for quality sleep. The combination of slow-releasing carbs and sleep-friendly nutrients makes sweet potatoes a comforting and effective bedtime snack. Number 9. Bananas. Bananas are packed with magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B6, all essential nutrients for promoting better sleep. Magnesium and potassium help to relax muscles and prevent nighttime cramps, while vitamin B6 plays a role in serotonin production, which helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Bananas are also high in tryptophan, making them a natural and convenient sleep aid. The natural sugars in bananas provide a quick energy source that doesn't spike blood sugar levels, helping you avoid those late-night sugar cravings that can disrupt sleep. Incorporating bananas into your evening routine is a simple yet effective way to enhance your sleep quality, especially for those who struggle with staying asleep throughout the night. Number 10. Chamomile Tea. Chamomile tea has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for insomnia and anxiety. It contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to specific receptors in your brain, promoting relaxation and reducing the time it takes to fall asleep. Research shows that drinking chamomile tea before bed can improve overall sleep quality, making it easier to wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. In addition to its sleep-enhancing properties, chamomile tea also helps alleviate digestive issues and reduce stress, both of which are common factors that disrupt sleep. The warm, soothing nature of chamomile tea makes it the perfect bedtime ritual for winding down and preparing your body for rest. Number 11. Brown rice. Brown rice is a whole grain rich in complex carbohydrates and magnesium, both of which help relax your muscles and stabilize blood sugar levels. The high fiber content in brown rice keeps you feeling full throughout the night, reducing the likelihood of waking up due to hunger. Additionally, brown rice promotes the release of insulin, which increases the availability of tryptophan in your bloodstream, boosting serotonin levels and enhancing sleep quality. Brown rice also contains B vitamins that play a role in reducing stress and improving energy metabolism, making it easier to unwind and enjoy uninterrupted sleep. With its balanced nutrient profile and calming effects, brown rice is a smart choice for those looking to improve their sleep naturally. Number 12. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein and a fantastic source of magnesium, tryptophan, and fiber. The combination of these nutrients makes quinoa an excellent food for promoting relaxation and better sleep. The complex carbs in quinoa help increase serotonin levels, reduce stress, and help you drift off more easily. In addition to its sleep benefits, quinoa is also rich in antioxidants, which help reduce oxidative stress, a factor that can negatively impact sleep quality. With its high nutrient density and versatility, quinoa is an ideal choice for those seeking a holistic approach to better sleep. Number 13. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest sources of magnesium, a mineral essential for relaxation and stress reduction. This makes them an excellent option for promoting better sleep. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters that calm the nervous system, making it easier for you to drift off. Research has shown that magnesium deficiency can lead to poor sleep quality, and adding pumpkin seeds to your diet can address this imbalance naturally. In addition to magnesium, pumpkin seeds also provide tryptophan, which is converted into serotonin and then melatonin, helping regulate your sleep cycle. These small but mighty seeds are also packed with zinc, which plays a crucial role in converting tryptophan into serotonin. This perfect combination of nutrients helps you relax and sets the stage for a deeper, more restful sleep. Number 14. Honey. Honey might be sweet, but it's more than just a natural sugar. It contains glucose, which slightly raises insulin levels and allows tryptophan to enter the brain more easily, where it can be converted into serotonin and melatonin. This process helps you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. A small amount of honey before bed can also help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those late-night dips that might wake you up. In addition to promoting sleep, honey has been used in traditional medicine to soothe the nervous system and calm the mind. Its natural sugars provide a gentle source of energy that doesn't cause the blood sugar spikes associated with more processed sweets, ensuring that your body stays relaxed throughout the night. Number 15. Kiwi. Kiwi is often overlooked when it comes to sleep-friendly foods, but it's one of the most effective natural sleep aids available. Studies have shown that consuming kiwi an hour before bed can significantly improve sleep onset, duration, and efficiency. This is largely due to its high levels of serotonin, which helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Additionally, kiwi is packed with antioxidants like vitamin C and E, which play a role in reducing oxidative stress, a factor that can disrupt sleep. The combination of serotonin, antioxidants, and fiber makes kiwi a powerful and natural way to enhance sleep quality, helping you wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. Number 16. Passionflower Tea. Passionflower tea has been traditionally used to treat anxiety and insomnia. It contains compounds like flavonoids that interact with the brain's receptors, reducing anxiety and promoting calmness. Studies have shown that passionflower tea can increase the production of GABA, gamma-aminobutyric acid, a neurotransmitter that lowers brain activity, helping you unwind and fall asleep faster. The mild sedative effects of passionflower make it ideal for those who struggle with racing thoughts or stress before bed. Drinking a cup of this herbal tea can create a soothing bedtime routine that naturally encourages relaxation and improves sleep quality without the side effects of stronger medications. Number 17. Spinach. Spinach is loaded with magnesium, calcium, and B vitamins, all of which contribute to better sleep. Magnesium is key to relaxing muscles and calming the nervous system, while calcium helps the brain convert tryptophan into melatonin. Spinach also contains glycine, an amino acid that has been shown to improve sleep by lowering body temperature and enhancing sleep quality. Whether included in a meal or enjoyed as a smoothie, spinach offers a natural nutrient-dense way to support your sleep and overall health. Number 18. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and rich source of tryptophan, vitamin D, and other nutrients that promote sleep. The protein in eggs not only helps you feel full longer, but also stabilizes blood sugar levels, which can be crucial for maintaining uninterrupted sleep. Vitamin D plays a role in regulating your circadian rhythm, helping to keep your sleep-wake cycle balanced. Incorporating eggs into your diet, especially in the evening, can help you wind down and enjoy a more restful night. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and for more amazing videos, subscribe to our channel.